Right, well, as we know, right, because of the China news, more tariffs on China, there is more pressure in the market. So overall, ES and Q are looking bearish. So your table shows that. Right, all we need to do is wait for this green to become red, then we can keep taking shots. So whenever there is green, it will go up. So basically, we are waiting for because we know trend is bearish, but we don't want to get into long positions. Sometimes they can make money, sometimes suddenly they can drop. So better you stay with the higher trend and mainly look at the. So whenever you see a T3 sell and whenever you see T5 red, that is where you can keep taking the short positions on ES or NQ, NKD. All these ones mainly we look for the short positions. Natural gas is looking little bullish, but even gold is also looking bearish. Expected that gold might be bullish, but no, GC is looking. If it breaks this, then it will go all the way here. ES is more easy compared to NQ. So generally, I trade ES. You can trade if you want. You can trade with two contracts instead of one NQ. You can trade two ES contracts. Or if you want to take low risk, you can take with four MES like that. We are waiting T5 to become red. Once it becomes red, we can start taking short positions.
Order filled.
I still don't enter it. Once this T5 line becomes red and this line becomes red, we can enter the short. It will come all the way till here.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Yeah, now you can take a shot. Now we got a sell signal. This candle went below this line. Yeah, you can take a shot now. So our target is around 40 to 93. Sorry, 40 to 49.23. Because the overall trend is very bearish, we can hold it. So I can have my stop loss somewhere about this.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Come on, come on.
Order filled.
We took the stop loss there. We'll wait for the T3 sell. We are on T3 buying, so
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled.
Right now we got a decrease sell, we got a price pulse sell. Now we got the magic pattern. Earlier it came and disappeared, but now so we can it will come all the way down. Even if we want NQ, we can go to NQ.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order. Order. Order filled.
I took a shot on NQ also. Both ES and NQ move in the same direction.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
It's nearly $1,000 from NQ and another $300-400 from ES. Right, I know it. Yeah, right. Just for best practice, I took a stop loss. We know it was at the top, but yeah. just to make sure any sudden good news or something. So it's always better we put a stop loss. It just touched it and then dropped back, came to our target. Same time, YM also will move. But if you cannot manage multiple positions quickly, then better you only take, right, either follow ES or follow NQ, whichever you want, you can just follow one. But generally, YM, NQ, ES, sometimes RTY. 80% of the time, RTY also will move in the same direction. NQD also nearly 80% of the time, NQD also will move in the same direction. So if you are watching one chart, it is like you are watching NQD, YM, NQ.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order, order filled. Order canceled.
Entered NQ one more time till there is nice gap. There are sellers here. Even though price goes, try to touch it again, it will come back. It should come all the way down here. 16844.
Order filled.
I took short on ES also one more time.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Yeah. It's a way nearly $1,500 done with ES and NK. So anyone has any questions? Right, yesterday I explained you this approach, right? Whenever you wait for this pattern, whenever you have this pattern, then just wait for T3 cell. If you get a T3 cell and you see a pattern, just you can confidently take it. And we know trend is bearish. You can confidently take. It came all the way, touched the discount zone, and again bouncing back. Same thing with ES. This pattern formed. You can see a nice gap. Then we got a T3 cell, PP cell. And then it came all the way down. It touched the discount zone. Same thing. Whenever you see this type of pattern, you can keep repeating the same thing until tomorrow. Because overall NQES will be bearish throughout the day. Yeah, please let me know if anyone got any other questions. Yeah, Ramesh, do you have any questions? We got T3 cell one more time.
Order submit. Order submit. Order submitted.
We can enter any killer.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled. Order canceled.
You can Q short one more time. Because whenever price goes, touch the red line. If you see again it is dropping, That means buyers are not able to break the resistance. Right? Still there is a lot of gap here. So we can see still one more time it may do a double bottom. Yeah, T3 is a different indicator. So whenever you see any ticker in all, right, if you see everything in the same way, that is the best one. Right? For example, if you go to natural gas, if you see everything green, you can only focus on buy signals. Or if you see yes, right, mostly it is red. This money flow except one.
Order. Order submitted.
So whenever you have
Or-
everything,
Order filled.
that is a good opportunity. If you see something very red in all these three columns, then you can confidently, right, whenever price goes, you see a T3 sell, or whenever price is close to this line, you can short it, again it will drop. Because the overall trend is bearish, even though it may go a little bit up, still it will come all the way down. Yeah, if 1 minute shows bullish, then wait for it 1 minute to show bearish. Until that time you wait. So when it is at the bottom, 1 minute may show bullish. So let it go till the T5 line, and then it will start dropping. That is where we can take the short. So only when your 1 minute and 5 minutes are in sync, then you take those trades. If they are in two different, if one is in bullish, one is bearish, then you can ignore that. So GC is bullish in 1 minute, bullish in 5 minutes, 15 minutes also it is bullish. Because generally when the ES NQ starts dropping, then the gold generally goes up. So tonight also we may see that the gold might move well. 5 minutes it is bullish, 1 minute it is bullish. As long as this T5 line, price pulse line, they are looking bullish, this is looking bullish, don't take the shots. When this becomes red, this becomes red, that is where we'll enter short.
Which order fell?
Again, GC will drop in some time. Yeah, I took stop loss on ES and NQ. Yeah, suddenly there was a bounce but yeah, if you took only one position, you can wait. Again, ES and NQ should drop. In case if it goes here, you can add one more position because here there are some buy orders. If you need any changes to the indicators, you need to fill the same Google form with your trading username, and then we can make the changes. Yeah, that's it, everyone. So tomorrow we have event at 1 p.m. Central. It is not in the morning time. So before that, yeah, be ready with your account. So we can try to predict the direction, and within few seconds you can complete evaluation. But tonight, yeah, mainly you wait for the sell signals with the ES and NQ. Whenever you see a sell signal, you can take short positions. Tomorrow it is at 1 p.m. Central, 1 p.m. CST. And for target limit for 153, you have to only do 4.5 thousand with EA accounts. Because if you do 9,000, they will ask you to do 9 more thousand. So tomorrow, yeah, before the event, I'll tell you 15 minutes before. I'll tell you whether it will go up or down. Take profit trader pro accounts you cannot trade, but take profit allows the evaluation accounts. If you have sell signal on both charts, that is the best time to take a short. If you have sell in one and buy in one, better you ignore that. So if you complete the target, right? For example, tomorrow you make 4,500. Again, we have one more event on Thursday. If you make another 4,500, next 2 3 days you can just take some micro Bitcoin or micro Ethereum, just open and close it. You don't need to do a lot of trades. Yeah, sure, RK. You can join tomorrow at 6 p.m. Every day we have setup sessions. You can join the setup session. We'll help you with all the setup. Yeah. Okay, bro. Then we'll talk tomorrow morning. Good night, everyone.